Okay, so hello guys. Today we are playing Don't Press the Button 4. And wait, the person that put the button. Oh. Okay, now turn on purple. Come on, let's go. Let's go, man. Oh man, not fair. Real bacon channel. Okay. Stop the fire or the barrels will explode. How can we even stop the fire? Bro, how can we even stop? Oh my god. The barrels exploded. You lose. Get ready. Fight! Come on, let's go. Let's do this. I love like steaming. Oh, you cannot get me. Thank you. Your hands. Oh man, we dead. What's up? Hurry up! Oh, I'm gonna do it. Bro! Only one bridge is safe. Oh man, it's because someone pressed a button. I'm so jealous. New gears? Alright. Let's spin it. Whoa. Oh man. Let's get these. I wanna press it so badly. I wanna press it so badly. Now this guy is jumping with me. And run! What is happening? Let's go. Oh my gosh. What is totally happening? Ew. What ew? Ew, it's just poop? Whoa. Oh my god. He's so giant. Wow. Yay. I am so giant. Get on the pillar. Oh, they did. Yeah, we got on the pillar. Oh, the button presser got in lava. Quick. Oh, yeah, I did it. Stay away from the lightning. Oh, the one with the blue circle is the lightning? Yeah, it's me. Oh, no. Oh, wait. I think it didn't affect my damage. I think I don't have permadeath. Oh yeah. No! Oh yeah, baby. Let's go. What the? Red, white. I'm the only giant here that exists. Go, go, go. Green, right. Green, right. Green light. Oh, now it's red, white. Okay, green light. Red light. I am not in voice chat, so I am not fooling everybody. I am so happy. Yay, 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 yay. Yay, yay, yay. Oh, wait, I think I need to reset. I hate King JM is the chosen one. Who's chosen one? Kaboom. Enter the castle. Oh, this castle? Alright. Looks like Demon's Castle. Reach the end. Oh no! Go. Bro, wait, you're gonna die. Oh! How the bro you do that? Such lucky. Oh my gosh. Oh man. On your marks. 3, 2, 1. Go. Yay. You fit it. Bro, I'm the first runner-up. Nah, it's okay. Come on, quick. Tsunami. Oh no, it's a Oh, wow. Oh no, it's a tsunami. Oh my god. Nope. You know what? Let's just go this way. And we did. Get ready. The flood will start to rise and go. Oh man, we so dead. We so dead. We so dead, my boys. We so dead. We are so dead. We are so dead, man. We are so dead. Okay, go. Let's go! Okay guys, we did it. Oh yeah. Here we go, quick. Okay, we're here. Oh no. Oh no. I just stepped on a car. We need no damage if we stepped on a car. I think this game is rigged. Go, 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 go. Alright, we good. We good. We good. No, yes, sir. Oh, yeah, man. Let's check if... Oh, she didn't join? Oh, man. Oh, button presser. We're in space! And we have low gravity. I love space. I love space so much. Yay. Yay, I love space. And that is the end of the video. Like and subscribe. You can play this if you want. I don't care. Bye, my boys.